The U.S. Department of Energy was founded in 1977 by President Jimmy Carter. The Department of Energy, or DOE, directs many subsidiary offices and agencies, all with the central focus of furthering the United States' energy independence and efficiency. Both within the central department and across the subsidiaries, the DOE employs a multitude of engineers such as nuclear, civil, systems, mechanical, electrical, computer, and materials engineers. The Office of Nuclear Energy is an example of one such subsidiary whose primary focus is on the development of safe and reliable nuclear technologies within the United States. Among the office's focuses are developing a reliable means of disposing of nuclear waste, creation of small-scale nuclear reactors for powering spacecraft, and encouraging the domestic and international adoption of nuclear power through outreach programs. One program of particular note to the Office of Nuclear Energy is the development of Advanced Small Modular Reactors, or SMRs. These are reactors and reactor technologies that are able to be easily transported and installed at a reactor site with the capacity for easy expansion as needed. In order to be functional, an SMR needs a nuclear engineer to design its reactor components, an electrical engineer to implement power transfer and storage, a materials engineer to ensure that the proper components are assembled to satisfaction, a civil engineer to ensure that it meets all regulations and restrictions, an environmental engineer to ensure that the emissions in both construction and use don't pose a threat to the environment, and many more professionals to ensure that the system operates within acceptable parameters. Given that the Department of Energy is a public institution as one of the 15 federal cabinet departments, its courses of action are designed by the federal government. In times of political tumult, an organization that deals adjacent to particularly contentious matters, such as the Department of Energy, could be subject to downsizing or restructuring. However, given the ever-increasing energy demands of the United States and the world at large, the DOE is likely to see its current roles expanded to accommodate a nation ever more dependent on the services it provides.